Hello guys, it's a girl episode again. So today I want to make pasta for myself. It's just only me at home, so I don't know what to cook. So I just decided to make a little bit pasta, Regina pasta. So this is me where I'm cooking it. I put my pasta in the hot water, then put salt and oil. I need to parboil it first. So here I'm cutting my vegetables. I'm cutting my onions, tomato, green pepper, bell pepper. Tomato, onions. I'm cutting everything right now. So I'm making sure everything is going well. So stay tuned with me and see what's going to happen. This is me cutting the bell pepper, the red pepper, the yellow pepper. This is red pepper right now. This is the big red pepper. This is the green pepper, green bell pepper. This is it. This is where I'm cutting it. I need to dice everything together. This is the green spicy. I love spicy a lot. When I'm eating something I like green spicy or red spicy. So I don't have red spicy again. So this is green spicy. So I'm trying to cut it, and I'm dicing all of them together. I need to fry this. So after this, the vegetable is ready. The pepper is ready. Here I save the pasta, then I put oil in the pot. So I'm trying to fry the pepper and all of that. I'm mixing them together to make it stir together. I mix it, then I put salt. When you're cooking where there's no salt, you're not cooking well. So I mix everything together. I put all my curry and thyme. This is paprika. Paprika is good. I love paprika. This is black pepper. So I mix it together. I'm turning it together. This is my curry and thyme. This is a mixed curry and thyme. I love it. Someone told me how to get this. So I love it. So I tasted it. It's very nice. Then I put my spicy. Another spicy. I love spicy so much. So this is where I put my pasta. So I turn it together. I need to mix everything together so so that it tastes very good. So this is where I put my eggs. I put my eggs so that the taste will come out. I love putting my eggs inside the pasta. And so that's okay. So the food is ready now. So this is me putting it in my plate. Then I put my egg. The food is so, I can't wait to eat it. So look at, see you guys, see the face of the food. Look at it. So this is where I'm eating my food. This is where I'm eating my food. It's so delicious, man. I won't tell you. I finished all this food because it's so yummy. Thank you guys. Bye. Now let me taste my food. I'm a good cook.